Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Morning Gardener. I just just left Home Depot and purchased 4 bags of the cheap soil. It's not really cheap anymore. It's marked up quite a bit. And I got 3 cubic feet bags of uh, peat moss. I got the 3 cubic feet. I got them for $6 each. That's how you do it. And so I'm good on that. So now I have quite a bit of peat moss. So I'm all set. Get out there, get your supplies, get ready because once this weather starts warming up, today is going to be about 70 degrees, very windy here, and it's going to force people to think about gardening. And I just got mine. I'm done. Done. This is the Morning Gardener.